This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You power the Tascam and immediately confirm power source. This avoids drop takes. Once on, format or verify the SD card in the recorder so file system and sample rates match your project. Next, plug in microphones using the XLR for balanced lines or the 3.5 mm for lavs. Set each channel's input type and set gain conservatively to avoid clipping. Make sure to monitor levels on the meter, because accurate gain is the foundation of good recordings. You now configure the technical parameters that determine quality and file size. First, pick 48K HZ and 24-bit for broad compatibility. Lower rate saves space but reduce headroom. Then enable phantom power only when using condenser microphones that require 48V. Do not power dynamic mics. Once done, engage limiter or pad for loud sources and set a low-cut filter to remove rumble. These choices control noise floor and dynamic range, so make them intentionally rather than by default. You begin recording by rolling a brief test and listening back through headphones to verify levels, phase, and noise. Once satisfied, record takes while using clear file names and markers so post-production is efficient. Consistency here saves hours. After sessions, back up the SD card. If you encounter issues, note this. If audio clips, reduce gain and engage pads. If files drop or fail, reformat a known good card and retest. Finally, reboot the unit to clear transient errors before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.